Hi there, today we're going to be reading The Best Season by Nina Cruz. Before we begin reading, let's go ahead and make our predictions. Remember, when we make a prediction, we use the cover and we use the title to make the best predictions. You can start off by saying, I predict, or I think the story is going to be about. I'm going to give you a moment to think about your predictions. Okay. Now, we're going to do our quick picture walk. Remember, I don't talk on every page that we go through, but that doesn't mean that you can't stop and look at the pictures and all the details. Okay, we have a little girl right here, and down right here, it looks like they might be ice skating. Look at all the detail. I think this is maybe a lake back here. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a snowman. This little boy's building a snowman. Look at this window out here. It's so much snow. I wonder, I bet she's drinking some hot cocoa right here. Oh, looks like we're at a new season now. I'm not sure. I think it might be spring. So that's going to be my prediction. I know when we come back to this page, we'll talk about it more. Maybe spring or summer. Looks like this little girl's at the beach. Looks like this family's having a nice picnic. They're enjoying themselves and maybe eating some strawberries. Oh, we have two different seasons right here. Okay, before we begin reading, I want to go over the genre study. The genre study is opinion writing, or we were talking about persuasive text earlier. So, opinion writing or persuasive text tells an author's thoughts, beliefs, or ideas about a topic. I would like for you to look for reasons that support an opinion. Remember, opinions are what you think. For example, I could say, I think pink is the prettiest color in the world. But you might think, oh, red is the prettiest color in the world. That is our opinion. Okay? Okay, and the word because, which tells you that a reason is being given. So we're going to also be looking for the word because. All right, let's begin reading The Best Season by Nina Cruz. A year has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. But which season is the best of all? Winter is the best season. I love it. So notice how this word best looks a little bit different than all the other words. I love winter because the weather is cold. Ice sparkles on the trees. The wind makes my nose cold. Cold winter days are great for ice skating. I actually want to pause real quick. Let's go back to the sentence. Winter is the best season. I love it. Now, is this their opinion? Winter is the best season. If you think it's the author's opinion, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. Okay, if you gave a thumbs up, I agree with you. I think this is the author's opinion. Why? Because I know there's other people that don't think winter is the best season. I think fall is a great season. I think spring is a great season. I don't know if I think winter is the best season. See, that's our opinion. Okay, let's keep reading. Winter is the best season because it snows. The snowflakes look pretty as they fall. Snow covers cars and houses and trees. On this page it says, it is fun to sled. It is fun to make snowmen. Give a thumbs up if you've ever had a chance to make a snowman. I haven't. Hope one day I can. Okay. I like winter because it is a time to rest. Winter days are short. The sun sets early. Winter nights are perfect for hot chocolate and reading books. It is cozy and warm. Remember my prediction earlier? I said I think she might be drinking hot chocolate. Well, I just read that she is drinking hot chocolate. So my prediction came true. Those are good reasons to like winter. What about summer? I think summer is the best season. Here are my reasons. Notice the word best again. This is someone's opinion. So let's keep reading. Summer days are sunny. The sunny makes flowers grow. Trees get leafy and green. Butterflies and birds fill the sky. Sunny days make me smile. On this page it says, summer days are beach days. The sand is hot. The water is cool. We can make sand castles. Give me a thumbs up if you've ever had the chance to make a sand castle. This I've done, so I've been able to make a sand castle. Okay, on this page, summer days are outdoor days. There are many good games we can play. We can jump rope and play tag. Warm summer days are perfect for roller skating. So I want us to pause real quick. Now, if your prediction has came true so far, go like this. Now, if your prediction hasn't came true, I want you to stop. Either way, if your predictions come true or not, I want us to stop, and we have a couple more pages. I want you to predict what the author is going to be talking about next. I know we kind of did our picture walk, but let's see. Sometimes our thoughts don't match up with what the author writes. So go ahead and make another prediction. All right, let's keep going. Okay. I like summer because the days are long. Summer days slip into summer nights. At sunset, the sky turns red. Fireflies dance in the air. It is fun to stay outside on summer nights. We can eat ice cream and strawberries. I just love summer days and summer nights. If you like summer days and summer nights, give it a thumbs up. I do too. Okay, last page. Every season can be fun. What is your favorite season? Winter, summer. So I want to take a moment and I want you to pause and I want you to think, what is your favorite season and why is that your favorite season? Winter, summer, those are two seasons we talked about, we read about, but there's also fall and spring. Right now we are currently in, what do you think it is? Yep, we're in fall. Another name for fall is also autumn, yes. Okay, good job. So I want you to pause and think. Okay, I'm gonna tell you my favorite season and why, and then if you have a chance, maybe you can tell an adult or a sibling or a stuffed animal if you're at home your favorite season, and if you're at school, maybe you can raise your hand and the teacher can call on a few of you so you can tell us what your favorite season is and why. My favorite season is summer. I like the way it feels outside. I know it gets a little bit hot towards the end of summer, but I get cold very easily, so I do like being warm. I like the different types of fruit that comes out in summer. I like that the days and nights are a little bit longer. I just really enjoy that season. Now, that's my opinion. That's what I like. Now, it's okay if you like fall, winter, spring, or summer. It's your opinion, and that's the purpose of what we were learning today. Remember, today's focus was opinion writing, also known as persuasive text, which tells an author's thoughts, beliefs, or ideas about a topic. So, good job today.